Hey guys, Pokey with Alex, and today you're not going to guess what the heck I'm doing because I never do this. This is the very first time, but I am going to be making a tutorial on how to make cake pops. Yay! These are actually chocolate. They look red, but they are chocolate. But what I did, I'll just tell you quickly, I'm not going to go through it all, was I just took cake batter and I baked it, and then I messed it all up after it was cooked, and I squished it into a ball, and then I stuck it in the fridge. That's how you do it. And this one has icing in it, so it's a bit different from the rest. But anyways, so I have those is what you're going to need is the cake balls, cake pops. You're going to need white chocolate molding bits, just the little pieces. I got this from the bulk barn. And you're going to need chocolate ones too. And also a big thing that you're going to need is food coloring packets. Different food coloring packets. And if you want, bottles. So I have both. Either ones. So that's what you need. And you also need sticks, of course. Shish kebab sticks is what I'm using, but you can use different ones. You're going to need little cups to put them onto for decoration if you want to. That's not a must. You need this. If you want to do details, this sparkle gel, it's for decorating. That's what I bought. And also you're going to need some bowls for the chocolate in different colors. So let's get started on melting the chocolate. So first you're going to take a bowl and let's just say 6 chocolates or 10 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, half, whatever. Okay. Okay, 10. I don't know how much that is. And you're just going to stick that in the microwave for 10 seconds. If it hasn't melted at all, then just do it for 50 seconds. And just keep an eye on it. So it will eventually melt. And if you just open it and you look at it and you feel if it's hot enough, keep it going. Still at 21 seconds. Mm. 10 seconds, and it's starting to melt a bit. So it's going to stop, and you're just going to put it in for 30 more seconds. And you guys can't really see, but it's starting to get shiny, which means that it's going to be melting. Here, 15 seconds, and we'll just look. Ow. Yep, that's melting. Okay, keep that going. We want it very, 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 very drippy. So we can drip it, we can stick the cake pop in, and so that should be good. Okay, let's try that. take it over here. So we have that. Oh, I forgot one thing. You're going to need a spoon. And just mix it together. And I guess we'll use the red because it's close to Valentine's Day. So just one drop. That's all, because this one does have a lot. Then mix the chocolate. Really good. Make sure no white is in there. You just want to have it pure pink. Okay, so when you have it like that, you're just going to take your stick and you're going to take one of your cake pops. Make sure it's very firm and everything. Then you're just going to stick it in, and if you want, you can just do it up. Well, what I would suggest is take the end, dip it in the chocolate, and then stick it in, because that acts like glue. And it'll harden and it'll be very, very hard, so it'll stick. So now you're going to take the chocolate and you can drizzle it on it, you can get a lot on it, whatever you want, and you're just going to have to cover it, that's all. You can do it any way you want. I'm just going to drip it on with the spoon. But if you want to and you had a lot, then you could just do it a different way. So now you have it like that, and you're going to take one of these little baking cups is what they're called. Didn't know what they were called. I'm going to take one, and you're going to get a plate, and you're going to set it down so you can put it in. And if you want to, if you're just afraid that it might break, you can just lift it in. And if it sort of did break, add some chocolate. Add some chocolate. And you have one of them. And now, let's make some more of the chocolate. This will be a two episode series. And I'm just going to put a lot of chocolate in, that way we have enough to separate for everyone. It'll make it all pink, I guess. So I have a lot, and stick it in. Stick it in for a minute and 20 seconds. This is our cake pop. Looks good, actually. Whoops. So you can take it off, but I'm just going to let it sit. Okay, push it back, and after we will decorate it with this black gel. Doesn't that look good? And we still have lots more. Okay, well, you know what? Let's decorate this one while the rest of the chocolate is going. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna do a little kawaii face. So sorry, One dot. There we go. Little kawaii face. And let's do some puppy ears. Now that didn't look very good. There. It looks funny. Okay, I'm gonna go get the chocolate from the microwave. Hey, you look at that. Okay. Now, all the chocolate is melted. And again, you need to mix it. And it doesn't matter if the pink is in it, because you can still add colors to it. So it may be a little pink, but that's okay. Now we're just going to stick some in that one and make sure that's cleaned off. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to take the blue, do a little drop. 2 drops should be good for this one. Okay. Now we have a lot of blue, which is good for the dipping. So we have that one already. We're going to push him back. And these are going to be all kawaii ones, just so you guys know. Now, like we did before, going to take the stick. And we're going to take our little Timbit, I guess. It's basically just a Timbit. And if we want, we can just move it around, twirl it while we drizzle chocolate. And that should be good if we turn it and we do that. And since there's a lot of blue, it's really good. Sorry about the phone, guys. I'm going to take another one of these things. Going to set it down. And we're going to take this and easily stick it down. And that works. That worked out really good, actually. That turned really, really good. And that one is perfect. Yes, there may be some chocolate, but that's okay. So we have those 2. Yay! Finally getting started on this. I know where the skates are, Mom. I know where they are. This. Again. Gonna take this. Take another one of these. Mix it all together. And take some chocolate. Okay, we got the blue. Got it mixing again. We got some delicious cake pop. Okay. Gonna take it and run and set it down and perfect again. Woohoo, woohoo. Now we can take this one and do 2 dots. And I'm going to cut the episode here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and just wait for the other video. Thank you.